Okay guys, the backstory on this John Deere front end loader. This is an H120. It came with the John Deere 1025R. It was bought 10 years ago this month. Tractor's got 850 hours on it. This is the first replacement item on this front end loader. This thing has moved dozens of tons of rock and dirt over the years, and even all the dirt out of a small pond. And in the next few months over the summer, it's going to move every bit of this gravel and the big stuff to other parts of the property. This is the leaking hose. Went ahead and wrapped a zip tie around it just for identification. Now all the hoses on this OEM, like I say, this is a 10-year-old H120. The OEM hoses are all rated at 3,000 WP. I think that's working pressure. And this one has developed a leak. Very where it's shiny. It's a small, right in the bend. So not bad service for 10 years old. And you can see there 3,000 psi. And we're going back with a 5,800 psi hose. So let's go to Google and punch in John Deere front end loader hydraulic hoses. See what comes up. John Deere hydraulic hoses for an H120 loader. Not too bad on the 4 pieces. That's my part number. If we're scrolling down here, somewhere I saw a PDF. This one here, if you click on that, I won't do it, but if you click on that, they'll be numbered and you'll be able to pick your specific hose that's leaking. Mine's the AW29374. Okay, didn't have to leave the house. 2-day shipping if you're a Prime member. My nearest John Deere dealership is, he's 1 hour away anyway, just one direction. Well, there's a big surprise. Made in China. Let me figure out how to open it without cutting the hose. Only thing you gotta hope for are the fittings the same. Now, if this hose leaks on me, I'll just go ahead and spring for the John Deere. As far as the text goes, we can see here weird names, Rockmaster. Nowhere do I see the pressure printed on it, but it is such a short run of hose. I think the entire length is only like 14 inches on it. Don't know how good it's going to show up, guys, but the fittings and the size looks identical. Went ahead and tried to find that crack in that hose where it was leaking. You can see them cracks, just dozens of them starting to open up. But that hose has lived with this bend, just about like that, for 10 years. Okay guys, this is a hose we just put on. It does not leak. I picked it up, cycled it several times, up and down, and we're bone dry. Hey, thanks for watching. Work safe out there and have a good one.